A good woman no coming from the Lord. They know they see her for market. A good woman is a blessing from above. Her type will not there for market. I tell you more, Yaku. When you batra kolisa silver, you know more those Yaku. When you batra those Yakumo. Always loving everybody, no discrimination. What a dimma, no competition. Blessings of the Lord. Everyone Yamaka, Moses in a a good woman no coming from the Lord. Chuku is a blessing from above. Honeymoon, Akwanye chotra nesi wanye chotra no hiyoma. Akwanye chotra nesi wanye pianwe no go. He will find that the wife will find that the good thing. And obtain a favor from the Lord. Blessings of the Lord. A good woman who coming from the Lord. To avoid I know. If you lose a good woman, everything goes scatter. Everything go nyama. Na so confusion. Wahala day. Honeymoon.